The iPhone 5C is the same as every phone from Apple, too expensive for what it is, but if you're desperate for such a device from the Cupertino brand, then this is still a strong handset to plump for. The iPhone 5C marks a new era in Apple's mobile onslaught, as the Cupertino-based firm finally breaks rank from premium design and price by offering up a device which is slightly more affordable. Slightly being the key word there. Pick up the iPhone 5C and there's no mistaking that this handset isn't clad in the premium materials which have adorned the more recent models. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. The polycarbonate exterior comes in a range of colorful options: green, yellow, pink, blue and white, and anyone who has owned an iPod will be well versed in these hues. The bright colors also make the iPhone 5C look a bit childish. Our green review handset, for example, could be mistaken for a toy phone from a distance, and it doesn't exactly ooze the Apple quality we're used to seeing when unboxing an iPhone. However, look beyond that and the iPhone 5C does feel structurally sound in the hand, no doubt helped by the steel frame hidden under the polycarbonate exterior, and we found we were far less concerned about it smashing. At 124.4 by 59.2 by 8.97 mm, the iPhone 5C is slightly chunkier than the handset it's replacing. But considering the iPhone 5 was wafer thin, the 5C certainly isn't overbearing in the hand, and the added weight from a slightly larger battery means that it actually feels more substantial compared to the iPhone 5's. All the keys are easy enough to reach when holding the iPhone 5C in one hand, but thanks to the elongated nature of the device, since Apple bumped the screen size up from 3.5 inches to 4, you need to stretch your fingers that extra bit to reach the power lock button. The iPhone 5C is 4G enabled, of course, but supports even more bands, meaning it'll work even more networks around the world. Apple claims the 5C and the 5 support the widest range of 4G bands out of any smartphone currently on the market.